Hey. Brother, brother, brother.
Check out my little scooter. Scooter gang. It's a cooler scooter, cuz. We just aired the tires up today. Get in the garage in order so that I could get this damn thing in the garage.
Well, this is me realizing that the camera view that I had sucked and you couldn't see, so I made the best of it by cropping and grabbed the tow truck, put it in the garage on the lifts.
Scooter gang. Scooter gang, bro. That's gonna be a build. Yeah. Cool. Car and garage success. Got another hour and a half of clean lamps. See my badass industrial ramps my cousin gave me. I've had them for years in storage. Finally getting to use them. Well, I thought I wasn't gonna have no room in here, but I got plenty of room to work in this bitch with the bike in here. And got plenty of room to get it out. Nice.
Idiot realized that the camera view was zoomed in and not zoomed out. But live and learn. Hey, happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, happy, 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 happy dance.
What's going on?
Bring you down here with me.
Then next, this car is coming in. And then next, mama's car is going to be coming in. And then once that car gets in there, it's game over. Gotta get these kids and mama set up first. Let's get a look. Oh, I. Can't really tell anything just by freaking looking, so I'm put some oil in it and get some brake clean. So I think I'm gonna go get some brake clean and some oil, and we'll put some oil on this thing, and I'll start recording when I get back. Peace out. Wash my hands up.